Hello everyone. I'm going to show you how I continue to get faster and more confident using Grammarly generative AI. I wrote fresh new content for a blog that I'm putting together, a freebie blog by blogger.com. It's free. And this is what I'm working on right now. I have it all set up. These are introductory blog posts which lead the viewer to a blog page. And eventually I will be showing ads on this. So I took this original work and I'm going to show you how I'm twisting it, rewording it to create a fast, quick page at myincomejob.com. So here we go. This is the next paragraph. I'm doing it paragraph by paragraph. I'm highlighting that. Click on Generative AI. Click on More. I'm rewriting it for a general audience. They give you a lot more choices, but that's what I'm focusing on right now. And it's working on it. And it produces this fresh new content. And for this example, I'll just highlight it. I'm going to read this before I permanently add it to my website, but I'm going to copy it. I have Grammarly open in another tab and I'm going to paste it. It will correct it a little more. You have certain, let's see what they say. Remove the phrase of the, you have specific tasks. Okay, that sounds good. But this is still my original content to do. And there should be a comma there. And as time passes, and then you have to read it a little bit, and with time, another comma, you'll gain experience and become more efficient. Once you've learned enough, you'll be able to change the wording. Learned enough, you can create, that does sound better. You get better too, you start writing better. Will make money for you in the long run. In the long run, instead of working for someone else. It took away the comma. So now I'm going to take this better content, this reworded content from my original content, and add it to a blog post that I'm putting together at myincomejob.com. I'm going to make that medium, and that's how I'm doing it. So when I take the time to write original content, right now, this is my goal for the blogger.com website. Most of the time I'm going to take that, spare 20 minutes, maybe 30 minutes, reword it, and create a new page at myincomejob.com. And that's how you produce work faster. You get better at it, produce work faster. Eventually I want to have ads all over this freebie blog. And why not take that content and give it a twist and add it to myincomejob.com. This is the back end of my WordPress. Yeah, I'll show you. I see it's a draft. YouTube channel money. That's the title of it. I hope you follow lead. You can do this. Once you gain the skills and set up how you put together a plan of action to follow so you could bang out content like this. I mean, I plan on creating another 2 pages today, and I'm taking my time doing it in between taking care of other stuff. AI is incredible. So for right now, I'm going to use generative AI through Grammarly. I believe it's $12 a month, and you can always cancel it and try something else. But for this month, I like the 7-day free trial. I like what it produces. It's helping me, and I'm going to take it from there. I'm just going to get better and better and faster. So make sure you visit. Let me show you. myincomejob.com, and you can follow my work that I'm creating. Soon I'll have ads all over my blogger blogs. Until the next video, good luck everybody.